There's one.
Oh, he's on the board.
I just had to complain a little bit.
Yeah.
15, 16 probably.
Where did my jig go?
There's one. What a walleye. It's like 13 inches probably. It's good to see him in there though. You're on? That's a nice walleye. Oh yeah, that's a dandy. Jesus.
They're huge.
Why are they so dead?
I don't know, there was about 5 or 6 dead ones in there. They're so big they got hunchbacks.
What you got?
White bass.
A white bass?
Oh, white bass slayer. Oh, he took my minnow too.
We mark a bunch of white bass through here.
Stop flopping, you bastard.
Oh, we didn't mark a bunch of white bass through here.
We marked one for sure.
Yeah.
Carpet's wet, Nog.
Yeah, I already made it filthy with the gravel.
These minnows all dead or what?
Yeah, they're all dead, I think. They're half of them are dead anyway.
Where'd you get all the dead minnows at?
Cinex. Well, it's because they don't put any air in the bag anymore.
They're too late. Well, I suppose it's too expensive.
Too expensive to put air in the bag?
Well, sure. You gotta pay for everything nowadays. I don't know about using one of them white ones that's been dead for probably 2 weeks. But
No, them are the good ones.
they got the stank on them?
Yeah, the deader the better.
Yeah. A lot of stank.
You hooked up?
Yep.
Come in, hooked up.
Hopefully it's not a white bass.
Got a white bass in there?
No, that ain't a white
Oh,
bass.
that ain't a white bass.
That's the right flavor.
That gives us some hope.
Yeah. That'll work. Man, that water is dirty. I think the whole arm is that dirty?
I would guess.
Probably, huh? That was way dirtier than it was last week. Oh, total dink.
Super dink?
Plus he was swimming towards me, I guess. I'm not sure if that's the right flavor though. Are you the right flavor? Yeah. He's really shaking his head. Yeah, that ain't the right flavor. Another white bass.
Yeah, the white bass king today.
Man, he's on him. Lost another minnow too. Them white bass are getting expensive.
There's a blob.
Oh, where are we at?
Right under us. This is Flag Flats. Right up there is Flag Point. This all is Flag Flats.
Is that a park where they're at too?
Yeah, that's the south end of Flag Flats.
We should maybe have one just dragging too, huh?
I suppose we could. Hooked up. Man's on fire today. I'm glad we brought you.
I think I gotta go out of the back of the boat.
Yeah, I'm slipping a little deeper now.
Ooh.
Baby.
Ooh, keep that net handy, boys. This one's got a little bit more weight to it.
Got a better one up there. Maybe I won't sleep deep. Now they're in front of the boat.
This is not a white bass. That is not a white bass. There we go. There we go, boys. Oh,
Fast and furious now.
oh, your net is too deep.
Yeah.
There we are. 16-ish, maybe?
Yeah.
17-ish, maybe?
Yeah.
Nice.
Oop. Short biting bastard, huh?
As those dropping down, he hit it.
Really? I haven't had a nip yet. The center of the boat stuff is for the birds.
Well, the front's all white bass, so.
There's one.
Oh, he's on the board.
I just had to complain a little bit.
Yeah. Looks like it's the right flavor, too.
Yeah, I think so.
No retrieval at all? You just popping it out there?
Yeah, popping it, dragging it. Lunch. Thank you.
Definitely a smaller caliber of fish over here.
Well, we knew that. We knew that coming in. They're lunch fish. 15, 16 probably.
That's all right, though. I was kind of wondering if there was any 15, 16s in here, because last weekend we caught probably 5 out of the 100 that we caught.
Yeah.
It's like, where are all the smaller fish? Catch all nice fish, you're wondering where's the next generation at.
I don't.
You're like, who? We really got to get on pace here if we're going to be done by now.
That's not bad for a pass.
Isn't it? I prefer a 10 fish pass. I'm kind of a greedy bastard though.
We got full of ourselves quick, didn't we?
Yeah. Yeah. Confidence is high. Reality will bring you right back down though. Right in the dumps.
Well, let's duck back around or something. Either duck back around or move her over to Fox, one of the two. We might as well duck back around with. Eh?
You don't want to troll back up through it?
Oh, well, we'd have to
Not
go
really?
a little ways before we'd get back into fish.
Let's duck back around.
Yeah, let's just drive her up.
I like how your casting platform is lower.
What do you mean?
It's lower in the boat.
Oh,
Mine is like 3 inches higher than this, I bet. I don't know, it's just in my head, but it feels like when I stand up and cast on mine, it almost feels like tipsy, like I'm ready to tip out of the boat.
yeah, there's fish on this point again. You on? Ooh, gotta do my job. I'm the net man today.
Not for me, man.
Nice work.
We don't need a net for white bass.
There's actually all kinds of fish around here.
Is this our
Yeah, right on the tip.
Finger?
Right on the tip, the finger.
right on the tip?
Mm-hmm.
Just give her the tip, huh?
Yeah, just give her a tip.
That's all she needs. Well, as dirty as this water is, I think you could fish in 5 feet of water and the fish wouldn't be able to see the boat.
Yeah. So, yeah, and plus a little ripple on the top. Ripple that.
I can't even see the bottom of the sock.
Yeah.
And it's only 3 feet in the water.
I really should switch to a Google Eye and make some noise, but
Yeah. Well, the jig you got's working so well. Why would you change?
exactly.
It's working about as good as mine. Oh, there we
There you
go.
go. Yeah, there you go. Got her.
He picked her up right off the ground.
Yeah.
Stay out of the sock. Stay out of the sock. Yeah. Classic 17-inch fish. And my minnow's gone again.
Yeah. Boy, that wind like died. Boy, there's fish through here. Oh, man.
Oh,
What am I doing? Yeah, I don't know why we didn't just come to this tip. It is loaded again. I missed 2 hook sets there. I think I got up too early this morning.
I'm surprised to see you all.
Gee, I set my alarm for 3:30. I hit the snooze for an hour. I did get going at 4:30 though.
3:30.
I wanted to get down and be done before the wind picked up.
Holy cow, that's ambitious.
I'll bet the help you get snooze for an hour. I can't do that.
Oh, I can. I like the snooze button. You don't even have to hit snooze if you're getting up at 3:30 in the morning?
No, I've never hit snooze in my life.
Holy
Not one
cow.
time.
My snooze button's wore out. We're gonna have to pull that sock, I think. Or we're not gonna move at all.
Renee gets snooze all the time.
The deck wasn't wet enough?
Yeah.
That's what he said. That's a good one. Oh, what happened there?
This one?
Yeah, no, I didn't. He was swimming with me.
Little white bass?
I don't know.
Probably.
It confuses the hell out of me when I set the hook and they swim with me.
Yeah, I know.
I'm like, where did my jig go?
This thing's little. It's a little bassy.
Oh! Spit the hook.
What a walleye.
That was the same walleye I just caught.
Tiny.
Not quite a lunch fish, are they?
No. It's like 13
No.
inches probably. Dinker. It's good to see him in there though.
Yeah. Need a minute?
Yeah.
Good thing I didn't pack a Sammy or I'd be into it right now. But not eating breakfast don't work.
I'm gonna try spot locking here. We're right on the tip of this point.
We just cruised over a nice fish right underneath us. Walleye? Or a northern. Drag is not super tight on that reel. Should have it tightened up a little bit more. It is so muddy I can't even see. You can't see the fish till they're on top.
This thing has got some weight to it.
Staying down.
He's in no hurry. He don't know the wind is blowing up here like we do. I don't even see the silhouette of him yet. There he is.
Is that a big, like, drum?
Looks like a catfish.
Fish.
Looks like a catfish to me.
Nice.
That explains it. They fool you every time. Mug, have you ever tried to eat catfish?
No, I never have. I should.
I've had it at the restaurant one time. It is pretty good.
Is it?
Maybe you should keep that one. No, I don't want it. Maybe, that's why I said maybe you should.
I'm good for now.
There's fish right underneath of us.
Yeah, there is.
Why won't they bite my vertical jig?
I don't know.
Because they're white bass. That's why.
Could be.
I'm getting out of the wind. I'm tucking back here. It's a damn wind hole up there.
You're on?
Just vertical?
He's vertical.
Straight up vertical, huh?
Yeah. I think it is.
Another catfish?
Catfish hunter. Oh no, it's nice. That's a nice walleye.
That's a nice walleye.
Hi, buddy.
Oh, it wouldn't be bad if we just got to stand here in vertical jig.
Yeah, that'd be all right.
I can get behind that.
You can cast out the back a country mile. Oh yeah, that's in dandy.
Perfect.
Probably 19.
Just lucky the wind ain't out of the south. It is coming out of the south a little bit now though, ain't it? She comes straight out of the south. She's gonna...
Oh, she'll roar then.
She's
She'll be a
gonna be pretty rolly out there.
Be a rodeo.
Kraft said that time he got seasick, he was so messed up he couldn't even see colors. He said everything was black and white.
That's bad.
You see, laid in the bow of the boat, I couldn't move. Brad got him to shore, got him on the dock. He couldn't even get out of the boat. Brad had to carry him out of the boat. Got him on the dock. He couldn't take that either because the dock was still moving. So Brad carried him to the beach and threw him on the sand, and he laid in the sand for like 2 hours.
Cool. That's a bad day. There's fish.
That was mine.
Vertical?
Yeah.
Oh, piss on this
I
cast.
think it's another white bass.
Really?
New.
Oh, how about no minnow? Need a minnow?
Tough with no minnow. Oh.
It is tough to bear hook.
Grab your minnow.
Oh man.
While you're up there. We're running out of minnows catching these white bass.
Kobe did it too?
Or, yeah, Achilles.
I didn't know that.
Look at them go. I can't get nothing out the side. I've been going out the back. Maybe I should go out the side. Nice fish. Damn nice fish.
God! We know why. There's one.
Come back second time? Mom's got her dialed in.
Thank you.
Ain't got dialed in. Oh, I did have a bite. Took my minnow, all but the head. Throw me a minnow while you're in there. Might as well leave the net up front. We don't need it back here. I sure as hell don't need it.
Oh, there's one. Oh, come on, stay on.
Frickin' mug is on fire. This
Oh, what is this
getting
thing?
ridiculous.
What is this thing? Catfish? Catfish hunter. Pike slayer. Ooh. Regular old pike slayer. Ooh. Oh, you can go get him. I'll get this.
Should be right there. Oh, look at that dink. Oof.
What do you mean? Yeah, there you go. Another 16 anyway. I think that's 15.
15.
There's fish.
Nice job, Mug. Google eye.
Thank you. Probably another 15, 16. There's one.
Another one? You're sickening, Mug.
Thank you.
I don't know. I think I got weeds on there, maybe. Felt really heavy. No, I just got a minnow on there finally. It's the first time I've had a minnow on there for a long time. I thought for sure I was dragging weeds, but no, it was just a minnow. Eddie said piss on it. He's going to tuck out of the wind.
There's one. Thank you.
I think I'm just going to sit down and eat cookies.
Yeah, probably 17 again, huh?
That's all you gotta do is get good and lazy and vertical jig. Get the net.
Almost all the ones I've caught have been right.
Net.
Get the net, Dad.
I got good and lazy.
You got a pike. You got a screamer. Oh, that's a nicer eyeball there, boys.
Get good and lazy.
Yeah, just get lazy.
Yeah, get good and lazy.
I don't know why you keep trying so hard.
Yeah. I don't know why either.
Let's see that guy. Ooh.
Where's the camera right there?
Probably 19, 20?
I'd say he's 19-ish, I don't know.
There's one. Thank you. He's a little peeved. Another 17 probably. They haven't been super dinks over here.
Well, just them two that week. The one I caught and one you caught was through back.
Them were that back there though. On the
Yeah, them
point
were
they've
all
been all right.
through.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
Man's trying to sabotage me now with the baby minnows.
Throw that thing back in the well. I'm ready to go take a nap before noon.
I am taking a nap. I've been overdue a nap for like 2 weeks. Well, there ain't that many big ones left though, is there? Watched the game lot? You didn't fish last night, did you?
No,
Watch the
watch the game. Time I got done hauling the shit out and we ate supper, it was game time.
How many trips you have to make with that?
3.
Make the kids walk over to the outhouse now, don't you?
Fish.
I got it. You want to keep jigging?
There, I ended up with my 5.
Yeah, you did. You weren't messing around.
little bit dinky. Are we eating this one or what?
Yeah. Jeez Louise.